Hi, my name is Jaylee.
Hi, I'm Kiara. Hi, I'm Bree.
I'm Kobe, and I'm from Las Vegas, born and raised.
Hi, my name is Tomasa Sanchez, and I'm originally from Guam.
I'm Dale Mark. I'm from Honoka'a, Hawaii.
My name is Ingrid. I'm from Cavite, Philippines. I'm a Filipino immigrant.
You learn so much here. Like, there's so many departments. Like, I work in volunteering, but then other interns work in events or other interns work in communications, but we all work together. So you're kind of a part of everything.
I actually just took design fundamentals, and one of our projects for that graphic design class was to make a billboard, a magazine ad, and a poster for the Cosmopolitan. And that was like the first Las Vegas inspired project I ever did. So I feel like that really helped prepare me for this internship. And it was just really cool to be able to now do something that's gonna be out in the public for everyone to see.
What I'm using the most is my IS, my information system classes, and I learned, how to do Word, PowerPoint, Excel. So that's actually been coming in handy probably the most.
You get a lot of real-world experience, and through classrooms you learn all the skills you need, and then in an internship you actually get that experience.
So probably the most interesting thing that I've learned attending the different events has been capturing the interactions of people as fans, and really just trying from a social media content creation point of view, just getting the spark and the interest of sports from the fans of Las Vegas and showing how that can help the Super Bowl.
The most surprising thing I've realized while being part of this internship is just how many people it really takes to put together the Super Bowl. It helped me realize that so many people from different backgrounds can come together in the sports industry, and every role is really important.
What does hosting the Super Bowl say about Las Vegas?
I think it really shows how much we've grown in sports as a community already. We got the Raiders here, we got the Golden Knights, and that kind of has expanded it. And now I feel like the Super Bowl is just going to be a huge event for us and bring in a lot of people and just be super exciting and definitely something huge for Vegas.
I hope that Las Vegas hosting the Super Bowl will showcase its ability to be a premier destination for major sports. And as a Las Vegas native, it's been so incredible to see the great city of entertainment and now sports that our city has grown to be. And I hope that Las Vegas hosting the Super Bowl here will show everyone how super Las Vegas is as not only a sports destination, but also as a community.
Yeah, the city of Las Vegas is the real winner because we get to host it. It's like we always have a championship mentality. We're always thinking about, how to make it big, how to make it better, how to make it the best. It's happening in Las Vegas. So they're the real winners.